Hello, my name is Voya and welcome to my deep guide garden edition at the moment. Long time no see, guys. So well, for you guys not so much, for me yeah, because the last videos that you've seen have been filmed by me back in April, and since then it was packing, moving, unpacking, establishing the new studio and room and all of these kinds of things. So it's been a really long time since I've seen the camera, or in this instance since you've seen me and I've seen you. So as you can see, there is no room. There's mosquitoes everywhere because it's early morning. It's 7:47, so good morning. And I just wanted to make a quick video, a quick couple of videos actually, so that I can post them. Reason number one, to keep you updated and in the loop, and reason number two, the YouTube monster will punish you if you don't publish a video. But that's a secondary thing for me. This is more about saying hi, keeping you in the loop, and all of those things. So yeah, I've moved. This is, believe it or not, actually part of the garden, which is awesome. And there's like berries and strawberries here and a piece of mountain, which I really love. But I haven't had actually time to explore this at all, because I've been busy with other things. And there was like a couple of questions such as, Okay, time to go in, and I'll continue there because still too early, not enough sun, too many mosquitoes. All right, I'm inside now, away from mosquitoes. And what I wanted to say was that one of the users posted like, hey, it's June now, where's the Tab Ultra C review? Well, if you take a look at the room, it is rather empty. So this is the main studio room, the main room that I'll be working in. And I'm actually having two workrooms. This is going to be the main workstation music studio room where I'm doing everything. And then the room next to it, this is the one here. This is my temporary office at the moment. So I got my computer or a screen, chair, and some other stuff there that I'm going to reveal at a later point. But this one here is going to be the YouTube studio room. So this is going to be the new room where I'm filming videos and all of that kind of stuff. However, as you can see, none of it is set up yet, and actually a lot of work has gone into it, and it all takes a lot of time. So basically, when I moved in, there was no earthed plugs. Now they are all earthed plugs and electricity is there. The ceilings, as you can see, they are matted with this layer of isolation, but this new panels, I actually started setting them up last night. So today I'm planning on finishing all of that setup, and I'm basically soundproofing to the best of my capabilities at the moment the ceiling, because there's living room upstairs, and I don't want I want to minimize the sound that is transmitting down and the sound that's transmitting back up. So that also is a big process on how to do these things. And yeah, I need to do all of these things first before I actually can put the main thing, which is the main work desk and the work console, which has also been a big project. So that's something that I'm also gonna show you some bits and bobs of. All right, so out of all of the rooms since I've moved in, this little tiny room is the one that I've been spending most of my time in, and that is because I've been working on making my own work studio desk slash console. So that's like a custom design, inspired by other designs that I like, but I kind of mashed them together. It's a really complicated piece of equipment, but it's also a really important one for me because it actually allows me to minimize the space used while maximize the amount of equipment that I can have in one place. And that's going to be the central piece of console that goes into the main studio room, and that has now finally been completed, that it actually works. And yesterday I was laying the final layer of paint, so let's show you some of the elements before it's assembled, which is going to be hopefully tomorrow, something like that. Depends when I finish the roof insulation in the studio room. So let's check out the painted parts. All right, and here are all of the painted elements. So on the back you can see the console sides, you can see a little bit of its profile here. These are the main rack elements, monitor stand, and here's the main drawer. Let's see, has it dried? Yeah, that's ready for sanding. So that's kind of cool. Today I'm going to be sanding and finishing all of these, and then they're actually ready for reassembly. So yeah, that's kind of cool. I'm going to be able to actually sand those pieces today and get basically all of it ready for assembly, and then just waiting for the studio room to be ready for the inclusion of the table. And that's the thing that I've been waiting for a long time. So yeah, that's pretty much the short update of where I'm at and what's going on. I wanted to kind of bring you this video first, which is basically, hey, hello, I'm still around and there's going to be videos, definitely. It's just that it's a transition period, but I think it's going to be a transition that's well worth it, especially because I'm, you know, swapping from 7 years being in a tiny space, like 1.78 meters wide to 0.8 meters long, with the equipment and everything. So I can't really wait to be able to be back to some kind of normal, because this has been lasting a long time. But the plus side is that once it's done, I think it's going to be pretty freaking cool. So I can't wait for that. So I wanted to share just a part of the journey, and of course I'm going to bring you some more updates as these things actually evolve, and as it gets closer to the realization and to the finalization, so that it actually all works. So that's it all from me for this video. In the next one, I'm actually going to shoot back to back from this one, but I'm going to schedule it and publish it a little bit later. I'm going to go through like stuff that's been queued in and what you can expect that I will be covering on my deep guide as soon as I settle in and as soon as I have conditions for the reviewing purposes. So yeah, that's it from me for now. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the support. If you do like the content that I do and you do like the videos, like and subscribe, because that really does help out the channel, especially now when YouTube is getting much more crueler. If you miss one time slot, it's like whoosh, you must suffer. But yeah, whatever, they can do whatever they want. You guys are awesome, and the community we've built here is absolutely amazing. So I know that whenever I actually get back to normal, the content that I like producing, it's going to have an audience, and there's going to be people who actually appreciate that, and I'm very appreciative of that as well. So that was my very clumsy way of trying to say I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye.